first time. So there are three physical methods we use to minimize radiation exposure. And I just talked about one of them, time. Reduce the time of exposure. That would be go easy on the fluoro pedal if you're a doc that's using a fluoroscope. The other two I like to show with my Geiger counter. This is a Fiestaware plate. It's very popular in the 60s, you can tell by the bright orange color. The glazing that makes it orange is actually from uranium, and it's slightly radioactive. But if you notice, as I move the plate just a short distance away from the detector, the count rate markedly decreases. Now this is what's called the inverse square law, or what I like to call Frank's fireplace law. If you get up to your fireplace, and it was pretty chilly this morning, you might have turned it on to warm up a little bit, and you get up to that fireplace, and you say, it's nice and toasty warm here. But you take a couple of steps back, and you say, well, where did the heat go? Well, the heat from a fireplace and radiation from a radioactive source or an X-ray machine behave identically. If you take 2 steps back, it's going to cut it by a factor of 4. 3 steps back, it's going to cut it by a factor of 9, etc. So distance is your friend when you're dealing with X-ray units or radioactive materials. Another thing we use is shielding. This is a cutaway from an X-ray room wall. It's normal gypsum wallboard on one side and some lead on the other side. And went to great extent with a nice saw to cut out a piece for this demonstration. But if I put that over the detector, you can't even see the plate. And it's not a magic trick. I'm not Houdini. It's like a rapper scratching a record. Now, you may have been involved with using lead aprons. I brought in a lead lap shield here to show you how efficient these items are that you may wear, especially if you're doing fluoroscopy procedures. You're in there adjacent to the fluoroscope, you need to be wearing a lead apron. If I put that on there, works just as easily as the hardcore lead. It will help prevent you from getting exposed to the ionizing radiation.